No, tell her what's it called? What? Muster. Sorry, you're wearing
Our cases are here. Our cases are here. They're like all those people on this ship. And the last time we saw it was, and the labels even managed to stay on. And the last time we saw it was Manchester. So that ends the travel day. That's us here. When we arrived on the ship, we had to go to do a muster station drill, so we know what to do if there was an emergency. Then we went for some food. We went to like a buffet around the pool bar. There was like grilled chicken and burgers and steak and potatoes. It was really tasty and just what we needed. Just needed some food. We took part in the sail away party. Well, we stood on the deck and we watched us sail away, and then we came back down to the cabin, and to our absolute amazement our suitcases were here, so we've unpacked, we're all settled, and it's just nice to you feel more at home, don't you, when you've got your stuff around you. So we've done that, and we've got that sort of belief that all your stuff's made it. The last time we saw it was Manchester. So yeah, now we're going to go to sleep. Mum's in the shower, I've already had one. And tomorrow we're in St Vincent. So this will be my first time seeing a Caribbean island in the daylight, because Barbados it was dark. I'm so tired, I can't think straight. So tired. Anyway, I'm going to sleep because I know we're going to end up waking up early in the morning. We're at sail at the moment, and we can feel the ship rock a little bit. Yeah, that's not bothering me. It'll probably help me fall asleep. Not that I need help because I'm shattered. Anyway, good night. Morning! We just had a really good sleep. We were both so tired last night, weren't we, Mama? But wait, I'm just up. Mum's getting ready. I'm ready already. And we're going for some breakfast.
Breakfast. Mum's sitting in the sun while I'm sent to go and find a different chair. I don't get to sit in the sun. It's just so hot today. We're roasting already and it's not even midday. So I'm on the hunt for a deck chair that's going to be in the shade from like now or soon to later on, because a lot of people are off the ship at the moment, so we figured they'll start coming back and it'll get even harder to get a shaded or even a deck chair, but a shaded one. So I'm going around the ship. I think there's a pool at the back that's not working that might have some shaded area. We'll see. Or I might just be getting lost. I should have explained, we're in St Vincent today. We have been off the ship, we just went for a little walk. We didn't go far. We always plan not going far in St Vincent. We're just having a lazy day because we figured we'd be jet lagged, which we are. I'm not finding a pool round this way because I've gone the wrong way. I've just realised I've gone the wrong way and I'm now going to walk the whole length of the ship to get to the back of the ship. I didn't want anything because of my big breakfast, but Mum wanted a burger.
What are you doing?
Sitting. The food. Comes Mum with the salad she was going for.
Salad?
Chips. Chips. But we did see some flying fish. The captain's announcements are absolutely hilarious. He apologised this morning for hitting some potholes at sea and he would complain to the local guys.